Catalytic converter theft is one of those problems that seems almost made up until it happens to you. You wake up one morning, start your car, and it sounds like an actual spaceship. That's the sound of a $1,400 mistake. The thing is, catalytic converters have precious metals inside, platinum, palladium, rhodium, which are worth more per ounce than gold. So thieves jack up your car, slice it out in 90 seconds, and disappear before anyone blinks. Now, police may catch the odd thief, but here's the math. Converter theft in the U.S. was up 325% last year alone. A protection shield is basically your best hope, unless you plan on camping in your driveway full-time. Here's what a shield does. It covers the catalytic converter, forming a barrier with tough, drill-resistant metal. Suddenly, stealing one isn't a quick in-and-out job. Thieves see those rivets and bolts and usually bail for something easier. Pain point. The average repair cost from catalytic converter theft isn't just the part, which is expensive, but also the tow, labor, and if you drive for work, being off the road for days. Easily $2,000 out the window just for not being protected. Step 1 is figuring out if your car is high risk. The biggest bullseyes, Toyota Prius, Honda Accord, Tacoma, anything hybrid, honestly. Thieves know what's easy and what will pay. Pro tip, check your neighborhood Facebook group, and you might spot patterns. After that, you want to pick a shield that's right for your make and model. Some are universal, but factory fit options are always safer. Less room for error, less rattle, and less chance a determined thief could just break it with the right tool. Installation is the part that trips most people up. If you're even the slightest bit handy and have a drill and a jack, it's about 90 minutes. For the less mechanically inclined, your local muffler shop can do it for $100 or so. Worth it if you want zero hassle. Here's where YouTube is handy. You can watch half a dozen install videos and see exactly where you could trip up. Lining up the shield, tightening down the right bolts, adding anti-tamper screws. Some even paint their shields bright orange, which is a clever deterrent. One underrated advantage of a shield is insurance. A lot of companies will give you a discount if you can prove protection is in place. It's not much, but with average insurance up 17% year over year, every bit back in your pocket counts. Are shields 100% foolproof? Not really. If someone comes ready for battle, anything is possible. But stats from cities like Portland show theft drops massively on shielded cars. Deterrence works, even if it makes you just a harder target than your neighbor. Bottom line, for under $400 all in, you're basically saving yourself hours of hassle, thousands of dollars, and weeks of stress. The price of peace of mind sometimes is just a thick piece of metal, and the decision not to learn the hard way.